gentleman who has a big smile and who has been a mentor and always a guiding force to all of us at the Kids Castle Global. Ladies and gentlemen, Punit sir have been guiding and supporting us to work in a team to go a long way. He believes in creating ownership of task and keep all the parents happy. He heads technology, CRM, innovation department of Kids Castle. Now, please help me welcome this young gentleman, young entrepreneur, Mr. Punit Bajaj, to share his thoughts for all of us today.
Can I have a light on audience, please? Good morning, everyone. Dear parents, as you all are in the enjoyment mode, I won't be taking much time. Honorable, all of our guests, parents, employees, franchisees, vendors, and most importantly, for whom we are doing this event, my dear kids. First of all, I would like to thank each and every parents at Kids Castle for trusting Kids Castle in providing edutainment services in most safe and secure environment. Dear parents, safety and security is very, very important for us. We understand you don't hand over your child to us. You hand over your heart to us, which is born 500 days back or maybe 300 days back. Taking care of them is utmost important. And obviously, edutainment has come. Education word change हो गया edutainment में, परिवर्तन ही जीवन. So edutainment is important. That's why kids are here and performing in front of you. Dear parents, this is era of change. Change is something which is permanent in life. Something which is not changing can be treated as dead. You take in our day-to-day life the way we shop. पहले हम बड़े बड़े पॉलिथीन लेकर मॉल्स में शॉप करने जाते थे, अभी भी जाते हैं बट कम हो गया है. नाउ शॉप्स आर जस्ट अ क्लिक पार्ट अवे. एक शॉप और दूसरी शॉप के बीच में सिर्फ एक क्लिक का डिफरेंस है. टैक्सीज बुक करने के लिए विंटर्स में 5 बजे सुबह वेट कर रहे होते थे कि रेलवे स्टेशन जाना है या एयरपोर्ट में हमने जाना है. नाउ एवरीथिंग इज ऑन मोबाइल फोन एंड the mind-blowing metrics are in a day, Ola, Uber and other booking engines book 40 lakh kilometer per day, which is sending, यहाँ से moon का distance है 4 lakh kilometer, which is like sending 10 Chandrayaan every day. This is the change happened in last 10 years. पहले 10 years पहले इनका कोई भी identities नहीं थी. Ola, Uber and other booking engines are there. Dear parents, much more noticeable change has happened in the leadership of kids. Leadership of kids. 400 years पहले हम कहते थे राजा का बेटा राजा ही होगा, प्रेसिडेंट का बेटा प्रेसिडेंट ही होगा. अकबर जब एक दिन का भी था उसको ऑलरेडी राजा की उपाधि मिल गई थी लीडरशिप रोल के लिए. लीडर्स वर बॉर्न, लीडरशिप वॉज इन DNA, लीडरशिप वॉज इन ब्लड. लास्ट 100 years में स्टैनफोर्ड, हार्वर्ड, IITs, IIMs, all those institutes came who changed the definition, who made it. Leaders are not born, they are made in the society, for the society, by the society, by providing them proper training and education. Maybe my parents are strong believer of that. They gave me tag of so-called IIT and SP Jain, Singapore, Dubai. So leaders are not born, they are made in the society, for the society, by the society, by providing proper training. Dear parents, today's definition, this 2000 generation definition is leaders are born and made in first 5 years. Mix कर दिया हमने, leaders are born भी ले लिया और यहाँ पे training first 5 years को importance दे दिया. Leaders are born and made in first 5 to 8 years. Parents, first 5 years EQ of a child is getting ready. EQ is all about hard working, sacrificing, determination, professional approach, smart work. हम संडे जब से ब्लैंकेट से बाहर निकल रहे होते हैं, हमारा बेबी हमसे पहले बाहर निकल जाता है. ही नोज द मीनिंग ऑफ सेक्रीफाइस. चलो काम पे लग जाओ. हमें थोड़ा सा टाइम लगता है. हम कहते हैं छोटा बेबी है, बड़ा जल्दी डाइवर्ट हो जाएगा. ही नोज परफेक्शन इज पैरालिसिस. हम एक ही चीज़ सोच के बीपी हाई कर लेते हैं, वो जल्दी से डाइवर्ट हो जाता है. तो दिस इज द टाइम पेरेंट्स व्हेन देयर EQ इज गेटिंग डेवलप्ड. EQ इज मोर इंपॉर्टेंट देन IQ फॉर एनी लीडर. You take example of any CEO of the company, any director of the company, any principal of the school. He may not be having all technical skills, all curriculum skills, all marketing skills, all HR skills, but his EQ is at the top. First 5 years, EQ of a child is getting ready. You take example of CEO of our country, Modi ji. उनका बैकग्राउंड एंसेस्टर भी नहीं है लीडरशिप वाला. उन्होंने कहीं हार्वर्ड या IIT से डिग्री भी नहीं लिया. मे भी उनके फर्स्ट 5 to 8 years वैसे गए होंगे, हार्ड वर्किंग, स्ट्रगलिंग, सेक्रीफाइसिंग, जिसकी वजह से उनकी लाइफ को एक डायरेक्शन मिल गई. पेरेंट्स, IQ आगे आ जाएगा, EQ नहीं आएगा. फर्स्ट 5 years, रूट्स ऑफ अ चाइल्ड इज गेटिंग रेडी. Depth of the roots decides the strength of the tree. Parents, we at a Kids Castle have a strong expertise in creating the depth of the roots of the child. Thank you, parents. Thank you for your presence. I won't be taking much time now. And I would like to thank each one of the guests present here. Starting with my right, Anu ma'am, Pooja ma'am has been supporting in a big way. Mr. Khan, Narinder ji, Mr. and Mrs. Khurana, Mr. Nanda ji from Indian Bank and proud father of Nishta ma'am, Mrs. Anubha ma'am from Banastali Public School. Can we please have a big round of applause for her? She has been supporting us in a big time in each and everything, in casually and officially as well. Mr. and Mrs. Modi, really, can we please have a round of applause for them? You know, they have been educating society since last more than 40 years. More than lakhs of students have been trained by Modern Era School, Mr. and Mrs. Modi. And last but not the least, and the most important people of Kids Castle, the heart and soul of Kids Castle, Mr. BL Bajaj and Mrs. Usha Bajaj. Can we please have a round of applause for them? You know, they founded us, they founded me, Nishta ma'am, Shweta ma'am and Anuj sir. We collectively founded 60 Kids Castle. Right now, parents, we have around 60 Kids Castle across the country. Can we please have a round of applause for the heart and soul of Kids Castle? We all are here because of them. Thank you, parents. I will end up with my favorite quote. एक काम ऐसा कर जाओ कि आपका नाम बन जाए. एक काम ऐसा कर जाओ कि आपका नाम बन जाए. उस नाम से आपके सारे काम बन जाएं. उस नाम से आपके सारे काम बन जाएं. Thank you everyone. Let's enjoy the event. Thank you.